Hello guys, here today I'll be showing you how to make a door on ROBLOX Studio. So let's begin. So this is how you make a door. So Properties Explorer, Output. Once you've gotten that, then you could click Block, and then once you've gotten that, then you could make your door or whatever. There you go. Make sure it's anchored and you can set it to whatever color. But I'm just gonna leave it black, or the blank color. Actually no, let's make it brown. Here we go. And then we could duplicate this one again. And then like this, and then make sure this one is transparent. So we go into transparency, set to 1, and once you've done that, then we can name this door, the one that you can see, door 1, then name the second one door 2. Now we can group this together. This would be called door, and then inside door, then we could add a script, and then this script will be called main door script. Now once you've got a main door script, we could do game.workspace.door. Oh, and then we also need to add a click detector. And what this basically does is when we hover our mouse over it, then it's gonna be like this click type mouse cursor, and then we could do door.one. What is it called? .1. Click detector, and then mouse click. Then we want to connect, then function, and then once you've done that, so this is basically checking if we put our mouse cursor over the door, door 1. So once you've got our door 1, then it's going to run a function, and this function will be game.workspace. Game.workspace door 1 transparency we set to 1, and then we can also do game.workspace door 1 can collide will be equal to false, so we can walk through it. So once you've done that, then we could also do we can leave a line, and we could do game.workspace.door 2. Oh sorry, my bad. And then door 2, and then transparency is equal to 0. So now also for door 2, make sure can collide is set to false. Now we could go back here into the script, and we could copy this and paste it, and then we could do door 2 can collide is going to be equal to true. And now we could copy this line here, and we could duplicate it down here. And then what this is, we could do door. My bad. Delete this, and then do door 2. Dot 2 dot click detector dot mouse click, then connect, and then function. And I don't know how to fix this glitch. If you know, leave in the comments. But I seriously do not I do not know how to fix that glitch. And then once you've got that, then we could do. But basically, what this is when we hover our mouse cursor over this, then it's going to do the same thing. So game.workspace.door 2 door 2 transparency is going to be equal to 1, sorry. And we could duplicate this, and we could do that. Oh, actually, now we could duplicate this too, and then we could do door 2 dot can collide is going to be equal to false. and then we could paste this in, and then we could do the same thing but for door 1. Sorry, copy this. Now leave a line here, just a few lines, and then boom, and then once you've gone that, then we could do 0 and then true. And now if we click play here, then it should work, hopefully. And in our output we could check for any errors, if there was an error. And here we go. So if we click the door, it opens, and if we click it, then it closes, just like that. So this is technically how to make a door on Roblox Studio. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, hit that like button, and yeah, goodbye.